come from a land down under. Hi, I'm Lisa, I'm the Ukulele Fool, and we're going to be taking this iconic Australian song and working on switching up our chords and doing it with 4 chords, and it's going to be exciting. Switching your strumming up. That's why I chose this song, because at the end of each line you switch it up from going from a cowboy strum to single strums and changing chords on each one of that. So that's all what this instructional video is about, why this song was chosen, and one of the things that we'll go over for you. Additionally, I'm going to show you how to change our cowboy strum so it's a little bit more laid back, a little bit more backbeaty. This video is part of a whole series of videos called New to Uke, where I take you through sequentially, step by step. So if you're just stumbling upon this video assumes that you know C, G, and F, as well as A minor, and that you know how to do a cowboy strum. If you don't, I'm going to put links, I think they appear over here. Maybe they're over there. I don't remember, sorry. The little thing where you can get a little pull-down menu and it'll show you where to start out so that you get those skills so that you can come here and you'll be all set. You'll have a good foundation so this learning will not be fraught with frustration. So here's something to try with this song to make it sound a little bit more authentic as a cover for what Men at Work did. Let's just mute our strings, lightly touching the strings so that no pitches are coming through. We're going to change our ukulele into a percussion instrument. We're going to do the cowboy strum, which is the partial down, down, like that. Except for, to give it more of a backbeat flavor, we're really going to lay off on that first partial down strum. So, and we're going to put more emphasis on the second down strum. So it's ba, 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 ba. That's going to give you emphasis in technical musical terms on beats 2 and 4, which when you listen to the Men at Work doing it, ba, 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 ba. So it'll give it that kind of, reggae does that all the time too, that emphasis on 2 and 4. You think of songs like I'm Yours by Jason Mraz, and it's also got that boom, boom. So that's what we're going to do. So practice that. Let's do this for just about 20 seconds with me. 1, 2, and here we go. And stop. Okay, I'll put a timestamp down there so you can recycle that and get used to it. And if you don't get it right away, that's okay. It's a process. You know, work on this just little bit by little bit. Now, each line in the verse has an F and G single strum at the end. So the way it's set up for the verses is like this. You've got A, that goes all the way through. So let's do that together. Here we go. 1, 2, ready, and begin. It's with me so far? And again, recycle this. I'm not watching. In fact, I want you to do it to your best ability. I've got good news for you. The chorus has the same pattern as the verse. The only difference is instead of playing an A minor to start out each line, you're going to be playing a C. You got this. Here we go. 1, 2, and ready, begin. It's Okay, if you're feeling comfortable with that, you have got almost everything down. Practice as many times as you need so that you're feeling like this feels good, I can do this. And then let's talk about how to add those lyrics. The first 3 lines of the chorus follow the same pattern. When you're hitting that first down strum on the C, you're not singing it, it's the second one. Do you come from a land down under? Or on the second line, where women glow and men plunder. Third line, it's the same thing. Can't you hear the thunder? But where it gets then changes that up is on the last line, and the you is actually a pickup, and better hits right on that first one. So you better run, you better take cover. You better run, you better take cover. Now I have serious struggles that I did with this song when I first tried to learn it. I was doing it as part of my 100-song project, and finally of course I'd been working all day, and I came home to try to do a song, and it was just like, I finally said, this is it. Whatever you get this time, this is it. And I didn't even make it through. And part of that is because getting the words tied up with the verses is a little bit tricky, and I have worked on it, and I have tried to give you the best arrangement possible so that you can see where the chord changes happen with the lyrics. So if you'd like that very carefully laid out arrangement, you can get it for $1 a month at Patreon. You can cancel at any time. If you would like to be part of the New to Uke series, you get a guide to the New to Uke with links that you can click on, and everything's all set up so you can find all the arrangements. So $3 a month for the New to Uke guide. Okay, so it is a little bit tricky. Some of the words are a little bit challenging, but I'll be doing a play-along video next, and so you can get those kind of figured out singing along with me. And there's some slang in this. Well, what's a fried out combi? Well, it refers to a style of Volkswagen van. It was a combination van and camper van, and so that's what the fried out combi is. And I know this because I reside in a state where marijuana is legal, and a head full of zombie means that is a strain of marijuana. And then let's see, oh, Vegemite. Have you eaten Vegemite? I have. I actually kind of like Vegemite. Vegemite's an Australian, what would you call it, condiment? I don't know. Let me know. Have you eaten Vegemite, and would you call it a condiment? Comes in little jars. Last little bit of slang, chunder, vomit. Yeah, so where women glow and men chunder. Oh, what can I tell you? Well, I hope you have a better understanding of this song through this instructional video. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe. I hear that only 70% of the people that watch my videos subscribe, so don't let that be you. No, subscribe, share the love. And then catch me in the next video. I will have a link up here or down there. There'll be a link either in the description or up on one of these little bobbies that YouTube does here, so that you can get to the play along video and you can play along with me. Spreading the ukulele love. See you in that next video.